The seated 360 is a great option if you've got a bit of a leg injury like myself, or you want to focus on isolating the core element of any 360-degree macebell swing. So very much like the standard 360, however, what it's good to do here is focus on that extra bit of core rotation. So as we swing, we want to think about leaning side to side. Now your legs can't take the pressure here, so therefore your core has to do the work, and we can even induce a little bit of twist as well. So I'll try and go nice and slow for you. As we go up, we lean counterbalance. As it comes behind to the spine, we go central. As the mace comes out the other side, we can lean over to counterbalance again and bring into the middle. So we go swing, lean, swing and lean. And it's a great way of being able to focus on the core, or teach yourself how to bring your core into a full standing 360 movement. Another good thing to do is to have enough room to have clearance to fall behind the item that you're sitting on.